A brief profile of Muhammad Bello Mustafa, ESQ. MB Mustafa is a 47-year-old constitutional lawyer, human rights crusader, and pro-democracy activist of national acclaim. An unassuming, dedicated, and loyal party member, he stood to contest the position of the National Secretary of the APC against the immediate past holder of the office, His Excellency Alhaji Mai Mala Buni, at the 2018 National Convention of the party in Abuja. But he was impressed upon by some eminent members and leaders of the party to step down his ambition for the eventual holder of the office. In total humility and respect to the party hierarchy, MB Mustafa, ESQ, jettisoned his ambition and went further to give his unflinching support to His Excellency Alhaji Mai Mala Buni prior to the 2018 National Convention of the APC. Barrister MB Mustafa had vied unsuccessfully to be the national scribe of the party at its 2014 National Convention. A focused and resolute young man who had cut his teeth at leadership from his undergraduate days at the Ahmadu Bello University Zaria, where he backed his law degree, an unwavering stalwart of the opposition party in Nigeria since 1999. MB Mustafa, ESQ, was the gubernatorial candidate of the Congress for Progressive Change, CPC, in Taraba State in the 2011 general elections. It was the very party of Mr. President at that time before the decisive merger with other progressive parties to form the All Progressive Congress, APC. Barrister MB Mustafa made history as the youngest gubernatorial candidate in the 2011 general elections in Nigeria. Barrister MB Mustafa served as the pioneer national youth leader of the Buhari organization, TBO, and was the Adamawa State Returning Officer of the TBO Presidential Campaign Council at the April 19, 2003 gubernatorial and presidential elections. Barrister Mustafa also vied for the office of the Zonal Chairman, Northeast, of the APC in the 2017 replacement exercise. A member of the APC Ekiti State 2018 Gubernatorial Aspirant Screening Committee, Barrister Mustafa was also a senatorial aspirant of the APC in the 2019 general elections and a member of the 2019 Presidential Campaign Council. Furthermore, MB Mustafa, ESQ, served our great party as its returning officer, coalition officer, Taraba State Senatorial District for the Presidential and National Assembly elections and the coalition officer 2019 APC gubernatorial election in Taraba State. But Barrister MB Mustafa's pedigree transcends the political trend. On the professional turf, he has over 10 years post-call experience as a barrister and solicitor of the Supreme Court of Nigeria. He has served as company secretary legal advisor to Solid Builders Nigeria Limited and later as company secretary legal advisor to Modi Investment Company Limited. In addition, Barrister MB Mustafa serves as legal consultant to a vast number of agencies and organizations and as the executive director for the Center for Human Rights Advocacy, Jalingo, Taraba State. He is equally the principal partner, Reputation Law Chambers. A multidimensional personality and student unionist, Barrister Mustafa has previously served as President, Taraba State Student Union, TASU, ABU Zaria Chapter, President, Student Union Government, SUG, ABU Zaria Congo Campus, and National Coordinator, Student Human Rights Association of Nigeria. He also served at various times as the Director of Action and Mobilization, the Chairman Joint Campus Committee, as well as National Convention Chairman of the APEC student body in Nigeria, the National Association of Nigerian Students, NANS, among other positions too numerous to mention here. Among his many awards, Barrister MB Mustafa has been honored as the role model of Nigerian students by the national leadership of National Association of Nigerian Students, NANS, and also holds the 2018 Award of Excellence for his outstanding contributions to the protection of human rights conferred by the Taraba State chapter of the Center for Human Rights Advocacy. A widely traveled young man, Barrister MB Mustafa speaks English, Arabic, Fulfulde, and Hausa languages fluently and is a responsible family man. Time and space cannot permit us to read out more of Barrister MB Mustafa's sterling profile, but the foregoing should suffice to establish that our preferred candidate for the office of APC National Secretary is a man that possesses the requisite qualification, aptitude, and character to perform exceedingly in the capacity we have endorsed him for. Therefore, in the spirit of fairness, and considering, like we have mentioned before, that Taraba State has not held any position in the National Working Committee of the APC, we humbly appeal that the party hierarchy, members, and teaming supporters should rally their support for MB Mustafa ESQ to become the next National Secretary of our great party, the APC.